Ayacko ambaye alikuwa akizungumza katika makao rasmi ya gavana alibainisha kuwa hajui ni wapi hasa rais atazuru katika kaunti hiyo, hivyo basi hana budi ila kujitenga na ziara hiyo. Ijapokuwa gavana huyo alijitilia shaka ziara ya rais ya kuzindua mradi katika eneo lake bila kumjumuisha, amesisitiza kuwa anajua vyema kile kaunti yake inahitaji na kujumuishwa kwake kutamfaidi mwananchi wa kawaida.
It is true, our party leader had been categorical. He does not recognize the presidency of William Ruto. And for that matter, we don't. He's the leader, and once he says, the guy who is coming here, we don't know who has invited him, because under normal routines, it is the person in the name of the presidency, if he is coming for official purposes, to alert the head of Migori County.
Of the county government of Migori, I have not been officially communicated to. That has left me with very little option but to say that because I represent a constitutional government and that I am also a holder of a constitutional office, which constitution describes or defines the relationship between a county government and a national government as that of cooperation and that of cohabitation for the sake of public good, it is not possible for me to attend those functions because protocol would require that I understand the seating arrangements. If there is an agenda that I should articulate on behalf of the great people of Migori, I should know that it's included in the program so that I may articulate it on behalf of the people of Migori. If there are people that on behalf of my government and myself I should invite, I can only invite those people if I'm officially invited. I am Ochilo as a private person, but I'm a governor as a public person. So as the head of county government, it would be bad, it would be improper for me to inflict my presence upon the meeting of the president without invitation.